Hi guys, I am going to explain you how to find the duplicated numbers or texts within the table. So we have two options to use conditional formatting. Second option is to Countif function. I will show you here what is the difference. So just to go use the conditional formatting, select the column A and highlight duplicated values. So it shows duplicated values. You can see using filter out these values are already repeated. So these have disadvantage. You don't know how many times some of the values are repeated. So it's useful sometimes to use Countif function. Countif function. So we are going to search within column A. Condition will be this one. So copy paste values till end. So you can see here some of the values are unique, so that's not repeated. Some of the values are repeated twice and three times. So in here you can see from the conditional formatting, here you can see the Countif. So that the same applies for the text. So just select the column A, which we're going to see how many value names are repeated, duplicated values. You can use them default conditional formatting, or you can change the color, all that stuff. Just use the yellow here. So as I said before, you can filter out duplicated names here, but again here we don't know how many times they're repeated, so it's better use Countif function. So that's a range and that's number. Just control copy till end. So here some of the names are unique, it's 1. Some of the names are repeated twice, some of the names are repeated third and fifth times. So that's useful to find out how many times they are repeated. Countif function is so useful. When you finish, you can just clear out conditional formatting, manage rules. You can select the conditional formatting, delete and apply. It's okay, it disappears here. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.